I'm in the workshop, and this is a guitar that I got about 8 or 9 days ago, and it was brought to me for a repair. And what had happened was the headstock had completely snapped off, so it's now been reattached, glued up, and here I had to put a new headplate on it. So that's a nice piece of quilt maple, and just as a stress test I've restrung it. Now it will be refinished so that the break should be more or less hidden, but I need to do a stress test on it and leave it strung up for maybe 4 or 5 days just to see whether it's still okay, because the last thing I want to do is put on a whole bunch of lacquer, refinish the whole guitar, and then string it up and discover that it's not a good joint. So this is the stress test, but so far everything seems to be working well, and the guitar seems to be sounding, well, pretty good. Let's find out. See, it's got a fairly pleasant voice. So, seems to be working okay. The brake feels completely smooth, there's no movement so far. I'm not sure, but my hope is that this guitar has now got its voice back.